And we're with Cali Moto TV. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to the future of racing. That's right, we're here at MotoAmerica 2022 with the Junior Cup Racing, and this is our future right here. We're going to do our normal grid walk. If you guys aren't familiar, we're just fans here at MotoAmerica. MotoAmerica's allowed us to come out and do a fan walk with you guys. And so we're going to walk down the grid, show you guys some riders, and show you guys some of the bikes. And of course, at the very end, we're going to give you guys some predictions of who's going to win. We weren't too far off on the Superbike race, but this one is very close. I think like top 6 or 7 racers are within like a half second of each other. So it's going to be a very good race. So without further ado, let's do the grid walk and let's get off this grid and watch this Junior Cup race. All right, guys, well, to start off the grid, we're with Cody Wyman, one of the younger Wyman racing here on the Kawasaki 400. And of course, we're just running down. We've got Max Van here in second place. Max Van's doing real good on the STG. And then right next to him, the other STG, we've got Bazooka Joe. Bazooka Joe is just blown up this year. So I think we've got good things coming up with Bazooka Joe. Head over here to Gus Rodeo. Gus Rodeo, of course, has just been amazing all season long. And he's definitely one of my favorites here in it. But I'm going to tell you guys right now, my fave right now is Kayla Yakov. I've been following her for years and years. She's just been dominating, and I'm very excited to see her actually race in person today. But just to walk down the rest of the grid, we've got one of the local guys here. Bogna rides with him. This is, I think Daniel's his name, rides out at the Dixon go-kart track. So he actually, first qualifying, qualified 1. And he is, I think he's just like a half second off of these guys. So I think we got a pretty good chance there. And then back through, Aiden Tao is, been about a mid-pack this year. He pokes his front up about halfway through the race, but hopefully we'll see him come up. And then back to some of our local guys. This is Alex. He's been running the Junior Cup, and he also rides with Bogna out on the O'Valleys out at the Dixon kart track. So good to see another local guy out here. A couple Riders Law bikes out here, but very, very cool track. So we're going to be kicked off here soon. So pretty good grid. A lot of local guys. Really good to see the local guys out here. Very good to see Daniel up as far as he is. I think he's going to be someone to be watching out for here in the future. He's quick. Bogdan's actually raced against him in the O'Valleys, and he just is like, see you guys later. But I don't know.
It's a big step. Do you ride this track differently?
This is going to be a tough race. It's going to be hard to predict this race because Cody Wyman knows this track really, really well. And, Bazooka Joe and Max Van have been up there and they've been battling. But Kayla Yakov, she's a surprise, So I don't know, what do you think? I think we're going to probably see, I'm hoping to see Yakov in the top 3. I'm hoping to see Wyman in the top 3, and I'm going to go with Bazooka Joe in the top 3. I don't know where to go with them. I don't know what place, but it's just going to be an amazing race. If you guys don't watch these Junior Cups, you have to watch the Junior Cups. Tune in to MotoAmerica. Support the kids, you guys. But you ready? Let's head out. Let's watch the race, and we'll be back and see who wins and get you guys the outro.
And Kayla Yakov goes up underneath Lamondre Jr. as well. And look at Cody Wyman. There he is. He passes Max Van. So a lot of swapping with 3 to go here at Laguna.
See if Lamondre Jr. pushed too hard early on those Dunlop tires, and maybe he's giving up a little bit of traction. A good shot of down into the corkscrew for Lamondre Jr. and a good wheelie by Gus Rodeo, who leads the way. There goes Lamondre Jr. on the right part of your screen. Up the inside goes Cody Wyman. So
Cody, yep. He missed a gear, though. You see him backshifted in the middle of the turn. So Cody missed he wasn't able to get that last downshift in. That's going to cost him some time. And it looks like Max Van and Kayla were able to go by. So, oh no!
Gus Rodeo, your championship points leader, is down and out of this race. So late on, the 96 throws it in the gravel trap. So that's going to change things up. Now all of a sudden it's about maximizing the advantage, although it was only 2 points between Rodeo and Wyman.
Man, that hurts in this championship because everybody's so close. It's not just one person that you're battling against, and you're going to see he's getting into turn 6, Greg, and he runs out a little bit wide, gets out on that green paint, and just isn't able to bring it back. I saw him do that a lap ago and was able to get that bike back up underneath him. That lap didn't work out. We are going to have 2 to go now with the teammates of Max Van and Lamondre Jr. leading at the front.
Gus Rodeo back on the track, trying to get at least some points in this championship. Down into turn number 2 we go. Pass for position, the 31 of Yakov on it. Altus Motorsports, Kawasaki Ninja 400 goes into second spot. Lamondre Jr. leads the way. And Gus Rodeo looked like he was going to be making a break as well and just couldn't handle. There he is, Gus Rodeo on the left part of your screen. We'll see if he's able to continue on with the race or if he's got to pull into the pits. Depends on the damage on the motorcycle. But all our eyes are right here as now another pass position and contact.
Oh, Max Van and Kayla go down. Oh, man. Into turn 5, Greg. Max Van and Kayla was just hooked up with both motorcycles as they went sliding backwards into the air fence. There was nothing Kayla could do there.
And Max looking like he's going to attend to Kayla to make sure she's okay. And so those 2 bikes just got stuck together, and Kayla surfing on that motorcycle, and now all of a sudden Lamondre Jr. Red flag out, red flag in this race.